Ever asked yourself, where did your paycheck go just as it is credited on your account? Well, you are not the only one there. More than 60% of Americans live from paycheck to paycheck, and this is the reason why a paycheck routine is ticked off worth importance. Today, I will present you a trusty checklist to make sure you are actually getting rich every time you earn a paycheck. 1. It is best to begin by putting aside some money first before anything else. The principle of paying yourself first, as stated by other commentators about personal finance, is not new. It is quite simple how to do so. This means setting aside some amount that you would consider savings and investments before paying up bills or any other sources of spending. David Bach, a financial advisor, calls this attitude the automatic millionaire tack. In his opinion, over many years, many small amounts can build up to a huge masquerade. Even starting with 10% of your paycheck can make a huge difference. 2. Make sure essential items are not mismanaged. The next phase involves managing basic necessities that cannot be avoided at any cost. These include cost of housing such as mortgage or rent, cost of basic services, cost of basic foodstuffs, cost of insurance, and so on, amongst others. These are costs that also need to be paid in such a method as to not stress any one individual. A regular American household can utilize between 50 and 60% of its revenue on these necessities. It is preferable to remain within this range, because it assures that there are funds available for aims such as savings or repayment of debt. 3. Building your emergency fund. An emergency fund, quite literally, is a fund set aside by individuals and families to ensure that blips in income and such do not disturb the way of life of the populace. In real life, to avoid borrowing to pay bills, such as medical or car repair bills, strategies such as having around 3 to 6 months' worth of income kept in savings accounts are recommended. A study done by Bankrate showed that 61%, which is nearly about 2/3, of the Americans surveyed did not have enough money in the bank to cover an emergency of about $1,000. Even a percentage of the paycheck amount set aside as a consistent necessity on the budget every month can go towards dealing with any unexpected expenses that may arise at any given point in the future. 4. Save for big purchases instead of using credit. One of the biggest mistakes people make after getting paid is immediately spending on big-ticket items using credit. While credit cards and financing options may seem convenient, they often lead to unnecessary debt and high interest payments. Instead, a smarter approach is saving up for big purchases in advance. Why should you avoid using credit for big purchases? Interest costs add up. When you buy something on credit, you're not just paying for the item, you're paying interest, which can make it significantly more expensive over time. Debt can snowball. One purchase can turn into multiple, and before you know it, you're stuck paying off a balance that keeps growing. And reason number 3, financial stress increases. Owing money can create unnecessary financial pressure, limiting your freedom to save and invest. The better approach? A big purchase savings fund. Instead of relying on credit, set up a dedicated savings account for big purchases. Here's how. Identify upcoming big expenses. Whether it's a new phone, laptop, car, vacation, or home appliance, know what you'll need in the near future. Set a savings goal. Determine how much you need and by when. For example, if you want a $1,200 laptop in 6 months, saving $200 per month will get you there. Automate savings. Set up an automatic transfer to a separate savings account every paycheck. Pay in full when ready. Once you've reached your goal, you can confidently make the purchase without going into debt. Number 5 on our list is establish a guilt-free fund. Any financial budgeting should not make someone feel as though they are behind bars. In fact, it is okay to set up a fun fund, which allows one to spend money on the little things that come up, such as events. He advocates for a conscious spending model where budgeting is done, but fun expenses are included to avoid monotony. The most important thing about guilt-free spending is doing it with intention. Set a limit for yourself and stick to it whenever you want to wind down. For instance, you may want to eat out, take on new hobbies, or get the latest gadget. This might require setting aside $100. 6. Plan your investments. Although getting the essentials, having fun, and paying bills can be factors that drain one's income, it is equally important that a portion of the paycheck must be put towards investment, which is seen as a long-term goal. Investing in retirement accounts, index funds, or even opening a brokerage account can fall under these savings, other than cash savings. Warren Buffett, a very well-known, commonly admired investor, has long been stressing the power of patience when it comes to wealth accumulation. Even if the current income level is low, focusing on savings and investing at the right opportunities is important to ensure a good head start to debt-free living in the future. Number 7. Consider paying out debts. If you are in debt, there is no better time to settle it than now. Repaying high-interest debts is one of the most competent ways of promoting one's financial security in the future. The average credit union interest stands around 16% credit cards, which indicates that any outstanding balance can accumulate exceedingly fast. In order to get rid of debts, personal finance advisor Dave Ramsey usually recommends the debt snowball method. Focus on the minimum debt first, and then proceed to the larger amounts. The successful completion of each step increases the spirit of progress, thus motivating one to achieve the best results. 8. Use of a brokerage account. In the event that the individual has completed all the requirements and is willing to continue investing further, then they could look into opening a taxable brokerage account. With these types of accounts, there are no special tax advantages available, which are often the mainstay of retirement accounts. But these types of accounts are mobile, which makes them the best option for extra funds lying around. Now, let's take a closer look at why that flexibility is a game changer. You can picture a scenario in which you purchase shares of the Apple company and keep them for more than 1 year. Rather than having to pay up to 37% for short-term capital gains tax, you would qualify for the long-term capital gains tax rate of 15 to 20%, depending on your bracket. This differentiates a lot and may be thousands worth of savings in the long run. 9. Obtain the employer 401k match. Consider it a way of increasing your wealth with every salary. If your employer matches your contribution to a 401k, take it. This is best described as a gift that goes into your pension pot straight away. Employees are willing to put a percentage of their annual salary towards the 401k plan if their employer covers the cost up to a certain level. For example, your pay is $50,000, and your company has a policy where it matches 3%. You decide to contribute 3% of your annual salary to the 401k plan, approximately $1,500. Your employer pays you another $1,500, which increases your earnings to 100% even before interest accrues on your contributions. Quite simply, you can have your cake and eat it too with this routine, live in the present, and actively secure your future. Do not forget, making money is not about chance, but about strategy and resolve. Put this practice in place with your forthcoming paycheck and experience the change. Nothing in this video is financial advice. This channel is designed to make financial education accessible and fun for everyone, kids, teenagers, and young adults. Whether you're starting your money journey or just looking to sharpen your financial skills, these videos are perfect for you. Share this video with your friends, family, or even your kids and help them build strong money habits for a brighter future. Let's grow smarter together.